Man, do you want to go for a ride?
I want to go for a ride. You want to go for a ride?
What are you riding?
I'm riding the...
Wait, let me tell you what you're riding. You're riding the HJM bike. This is the Trihauler. What am I riding?
You are riding the Revibike Flux cargo bike.
Yeah. So because we're so close together, people are going to complain about the echo because they can pick up your voice coming from those lips right there, and they're going to pick up your voice coming from my helmet right here. So there'll be some echo when you edit the video, and the people are going to complain about it because they're like, oh, there's all kinds of echo, and I don't... That's just how it is.
That's okay.
When we're wearing these Cena helmets, you know, sometimes we... Yeah. Woo. Hey, let's go for a ride. This bike is freaking crazy. It's got so much zip. I've already lost Amanda. I'll wait for you, Amanda.
I'm coming. Yeah, that thing is quick for something that can carry passengers.
Most cargo bikes are kind of gentle and slow, but this thing is nutso fast. And that was just throttle only I was using right there. But, oh my gosh, hear that?
Yeah.
You got to remember to tell your kids to hold on because you'll throw them out the back. Hit that throttle. So Amanda and I, off camera, just realized something here about this bike that we don't care for. And a lot of you are going to say, oh, no way, right? No way. Understand that this was probably designed for maybe another country. You know, laws in different countries, laws in different states here in America are different. So, but somewhere there must be a law that required this. But this bike is considerably different than most in how it works. So on the fly, there's a button right here on the button pad, and on the fly you can press that button and change it from a class 2 to class 3. That part is great. So at a touch of a button, boom, class 2. Touch of a button, boom, class 3. But here's what I don't like about it, Amanda. You back there, Amanda?
Yeah, I'm still here.
You still back there, Amanda?
I'm still here.
Here's what I don't like. When it's in class 2 mode, we have crazy throttle. And we're limited to 20 miles an hour because that's class 2 mode. When you switch it over to class 3 mode, touch the button, the screen flashes, now we're in class 3 mode, your throttle doesn't work. So for whatever reason, they designed this bike so when you're in class 3 mode, you have nothing but pedal assist. No throttle whatsoever. But if I'm not mistaken, it does go up to 28 miles an hour in class 3, or at least it should. So let's try it real quick, Amanda. I'll be right back. I'm going to leave Amanda back there in the dust. Nope. Nope, maybe. I didn't change my pass levels. There we go. Pedal assist 5. Oh, yeah. Well, I got up to 25. So probably. Let's turn around and find Amanda because she's way back here somewhere. Oh, there I go, trying to use my throttle, but no, I don't have throttle. My throttle doesn't work.
What do you need throttle for?
Because, especially when you're turning or you're going across an intersection, I like to be able to hit my throttle just to give it a little jump. And I've got nothing, so I'm going to put it back in class 2. So that's where I'm going to have to ride, class 2, because I like having a little throttle. That's a bummer. I was excited about this because this is a nice little cargo bike. But I don't like that feature at all. How are you liking the HJM, Amanda?
So I like a couple of the little features here on the HJM. First of all, I have a thumb throttle on the right side. I prefer to have my throttle on the right side because I can handle the bike better with my right hand, and if I need to do something with my camera, I can use my left hand.
I got you.
Great. Yep. I like that I have blinkers.
You have wait, you got blinkers? No.
Pretty sure I have blinkers.
You've got blinkers.
Does it work?
Yeah, on that center light. It doesn't work on the lights that are on the... Or does it? Okay, release your brake for a minute. And turn your blinker back on, but leave your brakes off. That's interesting. So when you turn on your blinker, the center light blinks. But on the left, the light that's on the fender on the left side, it lights up solid. It doesn't blink.
That's interesting.
Yeah, that's kind of weirdo. All right. What else did you like about it?
It comes with a horn.
I've got a bell. Which way are we going? We can ride into the sun if we go to the right, or we can keep the sun at our back and go to the left.
I prefer to go away from the sun.
Let's go away from the sun. So we're taking a left. Here we go. Ready? How fast will that go?
This one? I'm not sure. I have not tested it yet, but let's go ahead and test it.
Test it.
Pedal assist 5, pedaling only.
Oh, I got to bump up my pedal assist levels here because my throttle doesn't work.
Getting up to about 15.8 miles per hour. But that's just pedaling. With throttle, it's about the same.
About the same? So it's probably about a 16 mile an hour trike then. I mean, most of them are around 15, 16 miles per hour. That's where they like to be.
That's fine.
It would have been nice if it had gone 20, but for some trikes, that's just a little too fast. Hey, let's take a right and go down and check on the goats. See if the goats are out eating their breakfast.
I hope so.
All right. Yeah, this Revibike, man, it's got crazy pep. As soon as you start to rotate the pedal, man, this thing just takes off. Boom. Look at that. I mean, talk about some jackrabbit starts.
I like the color of that bike too.
I do too. I think the color is amazing. I think they called it steel blue or something. Whoa, where you at? You on the right? Come on over in.
Because it's not like a dark blue, it's not a light blue, it's just kind of in the middle somewhere.
Yeah. And I really like that. Since we're talking about colors, HJM has some weird colors, okay? For me, for my personal taste, they're quite weird. So I picked the best option, which was the Arctic White. But a lot of their bikes, for instance, they have blue, red, yellow, different things. But what makes them weird is the rims. The rims are the same color as the bike frame. So the baskets are the same color, the bike frame's the same color, the wheels are the same color, and it's not my style. I don't care for it at all. But the white one, luckily, uh-oh, we have a failure.
What's that?
This bike just died.
No way.
Yeah, way.
No way.
Yeah, way. We're gonna stop here in the bright sun. We have nothing. Let's see if it'll turn back on again. Let's see. We might be pedaling home.
Oh no.
What the heck? Yeah, this just happened. It happens sometimes here on e-bike reviews and adventures. Every day is an adventure. Mm-hmm. You never know if you're going to get to where you're going or if your bike's going to crap out on you.
Oh no.
All right. Let's check a couple of connections here, make sure everything's plugged in good. That's the first thing you'll always do. And I can't open up the battery because I don't have the keys with me. So there's not much more I can do from that. What's the temperature right now?
It's probably about 90.
At least 90. And we're a mile from home. What is going on here? Power on, dude. Okay, off camera, I was just telling Amanda, I sent Revibike a message yesterday saying, hey, was asking about some accessories. And I didn't get a response, and that's kind of unusual. Normally, e-bike companies respond the next day, right? And so far, I haven't gotten a response out of them. Oh, man. This really stinks. I'm kind of tired of getting these broken bikes in. We keep getting bikes in that need like little adjustments or little things that need to be fixed or repaired or replaced. Anyway, back to the accessories. So this bike comes with these nice footrests back here for two people. And the whole back end back here is big enough that you could put like 2 small kids on there or something. But they don't give you the seats or a cushion or anything. But they give you the footrest, so it's kind of weird. I mean, I don't understand why they didn't include. If they're going to give you those, they might as well give you the seat cushion too. But yeah, let's pedal this home.
Oh no! Do you know how much that bike weighs?
Let me see. Probably about 80 pounds, 85 pounds. Dropping it down into, let's go to 3rd gear here. Yeah. Maybe 2nd gear. Yeah, this is not fun.
Oh, that's so stupid. It was a full battery too.
Oh yeah, the battery's fine. We charged it last night. I suspect, I mean, right through here is where it died, and I didn't hit any bumps right here, I don't think. I don't think I hit this bump right here. I mean, it's possible that maybe there's something with the battery not making a good connection, so we got to pop the battery out, take a look at what's going on in there, and then we'll trace the wiring. So we got to check all the wiring and make sure everything's plugged in good, because something may not have been plugged in good, so it's not making a good connection. Here, I'll even try to turn it back on and see if it vibrates back on or something. Nope. Nothing.
Oh boy.
Yeah, so guys, there's no reason for you to pedal all the way home with this, so we're going to end this video right here. If you don't like this, if you don't like this video, give me a thumbs up. Yeah, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you feel sorry for us, give us a thumbs up. If you're having a good day, give us a thumbs up. If you're not having such a great day, still give us a thumbs up, because I think we deserve it. Put any comments down below that you wish. Make sure you subscribe if you're new here, because here on e-bike reviews and adventures, every day is an adventure. See you in another video real soon.
Bye guys.